Hello and welcome to Finance for Beginner. Today we are going to learn how to withdraw money from Payoneer to bank account. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly you need to open a web browser of your choice, and in the search bar you just need to type the Payoneer and click on it and open the Payoneer account. And when you have opened the Payoneer and added the details and signed in successfully, this is the page that is shown to you. So in order to withdraw money from Payoneer to bank account, in the left hand side there is a withdraw and transfer option. You just have to click on the withdraw and transfer option. After that there is withdraw to the bank option. As you can see here, just click on it. After that you just need to select your balance and you just need to click on the got it option. It is just showing us a tutorial. So here I just need to choose my balance of the currency that is here and to the bank. After that I just need to enter the amount to withdraw and amount to deposit. So after that I'll just add some little bit of description and I'll click on the review button. And after filling all these things, I can successfully withdraw money from Payoneer to my bank account. So as you can see, there are just the 4 fields here, because if I go backwards and go to the home and scroll down a little bit, there are these things. As you can see, the balance is 4, it has said so. So when I go to the withdraw and transfer option and withdraw to the bank, I can select the option and there are 4 balances. So this is how you can easily withdraw money from Payoneer to bank account. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up. Thank you.